Good morning, students. Today is the second class of marketing management, and I am your new instructor for this second class, Dr. Raghu Shahu. Here we will be starting with Block 2, that is product management. It covers three units, that is Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 6. Unit 4 includes product level, classification of product. Unit 6 include new product development and product differentiation. Unit 6 includes product life cycle, branding, type of branding, packaging, and labeling. Starting with Unit 4, here we will discuss about product management, how we can uh, manage a particular product in the market as well as in the companies. Product management is the strategic functions that guide every stage of a product's life cycle, from starting point to the market success. It plays a critical role in marketing strategy by aligning customers' needs with business objectives. Here, you can think that when you are launching a product, that is, if we can take an example of a new mobile brand and it's opening into the new market, what are the things that a manager, company, and what are the perspective from the customer point of view it will be. This unit covers product definition and classification, new product development, process, product differentiation, strategies, the product life cycle, brand fundamental, and packaging consideration. As a whole, this block will cover. Second, meaning of product, and it's 5 different level that has Kotler given. What is product? A product is bundle of utilities encompassing goods, services, ideas, people, and place that satisfy customer needs. If we can take an example like computer, so what we think it's a product. If we can take an example of flight services, these are services. If we can take an example of idea, that is the top level managers that gives to a company, these are ideas. People, some key managers or key peoples who has a potential to change a company's environment, these are peoples. And places like the tourist places, particularly if we are seeing the boundaries or the geographical location of Tripura, there are many tourist places, starting with our Ujjant Palace, Neer Mahal, Udaipur Matabadi. These are the things where we can go visit and satisfy our needs as a customer. From that perspective of an customer, the Kotler has divided its satisfaction from different levels of product and different categories. First one is core benefit, that says that a particular product when we buy, that is termed to be core benefit. Like if I am buying an mobile phone, we can say that phone for calling purposes, the core benefit here is to call someone or to receive the calls. Generic products, that is basic version of the product. Like sometimes we talk about different cars, and in it we make some adjustments. Prior making to the adjustments, like adding some features, AC, cooling systems, upper visors, or protective shields, or rooftops, or other amenities that can be added to a product. These are, apart from that, what we get, that is generic product, expected product. But means when customer buys some product, then he has an expectancy that the customer will get something that is extra, or uh, in thing that normally comes with the product. Like if we are buying a mobile phone, then we expect that the company should provide a mobile charge. Vice versa, if you see that the mobile phones of iPhones, they 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 nearly do not provide any type of expected product. That is, you have to buy it. Like you have to buy the charger, or the AirPods, or the any kind of hearing devices with it. Augmented product, that is additional features exceeding your expectations. Like if you are buying a mobile phone which is expected to call, and now they are giving that expectancy of video call facilities, and we are thinking that they might provide something extra facilities, like better cameras, better uh, better battery facilities. Now several phones has been in the market which has a parameter. I'm not saying a parameter, but that is that they generally have uh, extra features that we don't expect normally, but we get it with that product. Sometimes you get it different type versions of its microprocessors, better camera facilities, better audio visual facilities, like speakers, dual speakers, stereo speakers. These are the augmented product that actually came with that product, and we didn't expect that one. Potential product, that is future enhancement and transformation. Like when we get when we are talking about the mobile phones, I have an example that when Nokia started its featured phone, sorry, featured phone, yes, featured phone, or we can say that keypad phones, no feature, keypad phones. Then there is an always in opportunity for the Nokia to advance it to a feature phone, that is the advanced right now. There is touch phones. These are the potential product that may Nokia can come up with, so that their brand can stick to it. But due to that, they didn't transform their uh, keypad phones to the nearly now touch phones, so they have been disappeared from the market. So there is the important that how our expectancy from different products came, and it came in a 5 levels. Next is the unit 4, that is how to market a product. Like if you have an idea, if you have a product, then how do you market it? There are 7 points that can facilitate how you should approach or market your idea in the market or to the customers. First, recognizing your clients. That means you have to first recognize that how much market should I can cover, or identify the target marketers. Like I can, if I'm a company who makes cement, then I have to identify that not only the individual customers who buy cements for their building homes, but rather that the government and also the market the industrialist or the real estate markets, they also require this kind of. So for that first point, we need to identify whom I am going to target, or we can easily say for whom we are making that particular product. Second here is market analysis. When I have identified the market, then I have to understand that what are my competitors, who are my competitors, and how they are going through, and how they are surviving. Because survival instinct isn't good because when you know that I have to survive in the market, then you have to know about your first of all you have to know about your competitors. Here, competitor means that if you can in a normal or normal English, competitor means for with whom we are going to compete in the market for the customers. Third one is understand product features. Okay, so when we understand our competitors, then we have to understand that what unique features they are attributing and how my product that I am building is different from their product. So that how can I be more valuable to the customers rather than my competitors? Compose product message. Like here it says that a tagline which can really uh, link to the customers for whom we are building and they are satisfactory that their satisfaction communicate value effectively means when I'm saying that cement is the tagline is cement which build not only your strong homes but also build a good connection with your family. A strong home is a strong family. These are the lines that can inculcate a value system not only among the customers, with their family too, which they find a sense of good emotions from the company side towards the individuals, and they merely not just get to you, to you, but onto the product. And then plan launch strategy. And now, before launching that, whatever we four steps we have gone through, these steps should be followed before launching to better better know the market, develop a good strategy, understanding the competitors, your product feature, and difference between your competitors' product features, that is attributes or characteristics, you can say that, and based on which you have to plan your strategy while launching the product in the market. Set measurable objective means your objective should be clear and also feasible. It is not that today I have launched a product and I say that I have to complete a 2 to 300 crores of sales within 2 to 3 months. No, it doesn't, because when we are starting a product, it's not gonna easy for a particular person. It is very tough. It's very tough in an instant that all the individuals or all the customers will follow you, but rather it comes it comes in a sequential or chronological manner, in a day by day, by proving your product that it is good, and through making a tiny steps. Like when today, if I today launch a product of a cement market, then I know how much the total cement market in the global India or in the Tripura. If I know that, then I can make a measurable target that if in Tripura there is a business of 100 crores in a year and near about of 80 to 80 crores in a month, so I have to start with 10 to 10 crore or 20 crore. That is feasible amount of market for a month, or say that 1 crore, because starting when we start we have to casual, not to take everything casually, but to make priority to that the customer are satisfied from our product. Execute and monitor. When we make an measurable objectives, then we have to execute that. and track the particular objective in a sequence manner. Like planning, when we plan, we have to also control things, because without controlling, every plan has to be failed, because whether many things will be wasted or our money will be wasted due to lack of coordinations, lack of communications, or lack of control. So monitoring is important. Tracking your marketing strategies, making new plan. These are the things that will make you to market a product. Now, in unit 4, we will find that when you are marketing your product, there are different classifications of product that you are, and the strategy of marketing should be different, convenient to all, and like if I'm talking about electronic items, then the classification should be different. And if I am talking about the necessity items, the classification will be different, and the strategies will be different. So we have to know about what are the classifications of product. Convenient products. Convenient product are those products which are easily you can purchase, and frequently purchasable products can be said that convenient product, or a daily needs product is also a convenient product. Like if you are using rice, normal rice, I'm not saying the basmati rice, normal rice, then that is a convenient product, because we take rice daily, we eat rice daily. Apart from that, rice, we can also say that there are different category of product: Colgates, millets, flours. These are the things that are less in cost, frequent purchases. Next, we go to the classification shopping products. Like we wear wearable items like watches, shoes, clothing. These are the product that requires high involvement of cost, because you are not going to buy every day. You have to buy for a month or a year. Comparison shopping. In this shopping, we just compare with different similar products. Like we are comparing shoes of different companies and buying a particular brand. Or here shopping products, you can just select that a car, Tata Mahindra car. You want to purchase a Tata car, then first of all you have to look into the market, that what are the different companies car in the particular range, and from that you have to choose the best one. Specialty product. These are the products that are different from the first two perspectives, first two classification, convenience shopping, because you can't use this product daily. Like if I'm talking about a Rolex watch, so you are not going to buy every day that product. You will buy that in in a manner that is more longer than normal instance, and that has unique characteristics, that has a brand loyalty, and those are uh, high costly products. Or you can say that luxury products. Unsorted products, not actively sorted until needed. Like these unsorted products are also sometimes called negative products. Why negative products? Because unsorted products are also called negative product, like insurance. Huh? These are the products which we generally don't require, but we have to purchase to secure other family members or their lives. So, from the classification, why we have classified? Product classification influence price strategy, promotional approach, and demand forecasting. Now we will see that in now we have come up to the unit 5, that is how a new product development process goes. Means if you are going to make a new product, then what are the steps that can be involved in it? That is our unit 5. On block 2 there are 8 steps that guides a product development. We can say new product development, starting with an idea in your mind and ends with the commercialization in the market. So, how it happens? Let's go through it. First one is idea generation. That means whatever problem you are facing, from that you have an idea to solve that particular problem. Like our ancestors doesn't wear shoes; they wear wooden blocks, which is the wooden sheets that is in a shape of uh, slipper. So someone thought that you have to means someone might have thought that how these wooden things should give comfort. They are not comfortable. They are just made to avoid stones, nails, and the bits of uh, sand that can penetrate our foot. So from that, the idea came that we can make some shoes so that we didn't have to lift it with our tongue, not sorry, tongue, toes, and then the concept is then that they are done second step, that is concept evaluation. Is it feasible? That means can we make a shoe that can be wearable by just we don't have to hold on with our toes and we don't have to lift it up for that. So there is an idea that came to their mind that okay, let's evaluate different ideas to the conceptualist. Screening ideas for feasibility means if you think that okay, we will make a shoe from leather, okay, we will make some shoe from leaves, okay, we will make some shoe from tree trunk, okay, we will make shoe from different cloths. So from that, the best strategy has to be adopted. Concept development and testing. Now the concept has arrived in second way after evaluating. Then from that, refining and validating concept has been started. Like if we are thinking about that, the particular shoe will be made from uh, leaf and leather and other items. Then there might be problem that the leaf will get torn apart when we walk for an 5 to 6 minutes. Wait a minute. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. We have paused for a minute. We are in the mm, we are in the new product development stage. The third is a concept development and testing. While here we can take the example of a smartphone that has a larger battery power and higher connectivity. That is, it runs on 6G model. So before coming to the market, it goes for different kind of and different layer of testing, so that it can be validated and open for different consumers. Next is the development of different marketing strategy. That is how the product should be positioned and promoted. Position and promotion means here here the management sought that the product planning and positioning and promotion should be done from what our heroes, like who are our heroes, the border security forces, because they stay in a different altitude areas, different network connectivity areas. So it will be good for them, and as well as different other members that are associated with us, like cricketers, uh, another hero, that is doctors, because they need to do sometimes uh, surgeries or teach other junior doctors about different things. Promotion, these are the things from how they are promoting their product. Business analysis, that is accessibility, profitability and cost. Like now, before the fourth stage, when they are conceptualizing a product, they have to assess that how much profitable the product will be and what will the cost for it. That is, if you can say that one product is nearly about 1 lakh, 1 lakh of its costing, then the how they are going to sell. That means if the cost is 1 lakh, then there might be the profitability like 1 lakh 50, 1 lakh 60, or 1 lakh 80. So here increases the burden on the company, that if the product is 1 lakh, then how it will be saleable or scalable or survive in the market. So they think that there will be different variation of that particular product, which will be low cost product, that some will be a premium products, some will be a pro products. Like they come up with like 20,000, 25,000 range of products, and another range starts with 75,000, 75,000, and another start with 1 lakh. One lakh. So here they will be able to cope up with all the all the costs and enhance their profitability. Next will be product development. Now they will create a prototype and then final the product. Like they have created a prototype of the mobile that will have a larger battery with cooling system and have a better connectivity like 6G or Wi-Fi technology or directly link with Starlinks. They have built it and given to the research team that okay, now we will validate that this is the final product and how much and what are the things that can be checked. It will come into our seven step, that is test marketing, that is piloting in selected market. Like we can say, when they start some new concept, idea, plan, process, scheme, they test on certain area, individuals, or certain locality. Like if I am taking example of a lower connectivity, that is on the border side of our India, where there is a connectivity of different uh, telecom providers are very limited. So I have an idea that if we test there our connectivity, then there might be that chance that if it succeeds, then it will rocket the market. Or in the high altitude areas of Ladakh, Leh, where there this is the probably there is the less connectivity, and due to which our Indian forces have to be sometime depend upon the radio commercialization. There is a last step where we can commercialize now after testing if it is fit into our category or it is fit for the individuals, then they can market the product. Next, advantage of new product development. What is the advantage? Because we are having different products. We already have certain criterias or uh, prior products. Why we need new product? And what are the advantages? Like first advantage is that superior good creation. If we created a goods that is particularly different from other people's, then it is very much helpful. Developing new products enables companies to create higher quality offerings that better meet evolving consumer needs and technological standards. Of course, if you develop a new product that will enable a company to create a high offering, always the customer will be coming towards the company, increase satisfaction. Like evolving nature of business or evolving nature of human being demands and or demands new innovative products, which meets the problem of different individual and given an assurance that yes, new product will be marketable and usable in the market. Innovative product address unmet needs and pinpoints leading to great customer loyalty and positive brand perception. Like you say that man, iPhone, it's an iPhone. So even if the company doesn't give the charger or the AirPods or the or let's say AirPods, then also customers are loyal and customers are going towards the iPhone because it's iPhone. Enhance competitiveness. So when a particular brand or company comes with a new product, then there is an rushing of other competitors also on why they are. How they are making it, what how uh, they are refreshing the market offerings and capabilities. Improve marketability. Fresh product generates a renewed interest, opening a new market segment, and providing compelling reasons for customer to engage with you. Yeah, of course, when you uh, launch a new product, then it will give you a benefit in terms of renewed interest from the customers and a new market segment also. And this is the reason that customers will engage with your particular product. So here's the product differentiation. Product are divided into three differentiation. That is horizontal product, vertical product, mixed product. Based on horizontal product is based on customer or consumer preference, but vertical products are based on quality and pricing of the product. Mixed as a combination of both horizontal and vertical. That is Sometimes it is based on consumer preference, sometimes it is based on quality and preference, or sometimes it is mixed of both. What are the influencing factors? Quality of the product, feature, distribution, price. And second is reliability, complexity, after sales services. Differentiation strategies. So size variation and brand differentiation means, like, if we can talk about iPhones, there are iPhone 16 and 16 Pro. So what are the difference between them? 16 is normally a little smaller in size and have limited features, whereas Pro has a bigger than the iPhone 16 and has a wide camera and different other features, unique packaging and bonus features. Like when you buy some premium products, you can find that they came up with a good box and a shining cover and a different style of opening, and they give you a premium. Uh, they make you feel premium customer of them. These are the unique packaging and or bonus features they will provide you. Like if you buy a car right now, they will provide in unboxing photo shoot or unwrapping of your car. These are the things that they do for attracting the customers. Customer analysis for target positioning. Like if I'm buying an insurance, who will buy a car insurance? If I'm having a uh, bicycle, that is not motorcycle, bicycle, and I'm buying and a insurance company approached me about of car insurance, then it will be a blunder for that insurance company because they are not understanding their market. They should approach a car, the person who owns a car. Next in the unit 6, that is here unit 5 ends and we are moving towards unit 6. Here product life cycle. So in this we will start with product life cycle. Means each product when develops has to pass through certain cycles, or you can say that product generally go through a cycle that is how they will benefit their company and in what positions they will benefit. The product life cycle is the phases with low sales to the high sales and uh, and a high marketing cost to a low marketing cost, which high marketing cost insists due to the market awareness building and low cost indulged due to the already aware customer. Product life cycle has three stages, that is growth, maturity, and decline. If a product is newly launched, that will go through a first phase, that is growth phase, because there will be high marketing cost and low sales. Because in general product, this is a tendency of product life cycle that it will rise slow, and if it is accepted by the large amount of the consumers, that it will increase to a point which is called maturity. There is a second stage of product life cycle where the product will give you a abundance amount of profits without any increased amount of marketing. Here, the company need not to make any extra efforts to maintain the particular uh, sales, but later on it will fall. That is the third stage of product life cycle where falling sales as a product became obsolete or replaced. Like uh, we are now not seeing the featured phones, keypad phones. Why we are not seeing that featured phones? Because nowadays all individuals use smartphones, that is advanced phone or digital phones, so that their market values or the usefulness has been declined or reduced. Now we'll move to the Next topic of that, sorry, next topic of the same unit, that is unit 6. Student, carefully noted that there is a mistake of unit 4 written. Avoid that one and insist it is an unit 6. Okay, extending the product life cycle. That means there are three stages: growth, maturity, and decline. If we have to extend that particular product life cycle, then we have to do some extra effort. That is promotioning well, again rebranding, again product line extension, yes, product modification, yes, finding out new market and segment, and price control. If we have to maintain or extend the product life cycle, then we have to do this: promotion, increasing advertisement and marketing efforts to boost awareness and stimulate demand during slower phases like maturity or decline. Rebranding, refresh the product image, logo, or messaging to appeal the new audience, or revitalizing interest means changing something new to the product or rebranding it with new name that can give to a boost to the product line extension. Like if you've seen that iPhone has extending its line in varying with iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 normal 16. Nowadays, you will see that iPhone will launch a 17 and 17 Pro as well, because they need to stay in that market, and they are doing what? Variating or uh, creating something new flavors, size, or models to attract different customer segments. Product modification, you can see with the product line extension as well that something new feature is involved in it, quality or designed to meet evolving customer needs and preferences. New market and segments, like if iPhone is starting to make 25,000 to 30,000, and they will enter to a lower priced market phones and untapped a geographic region where they are not accepted or their product is not doing well. Price control. That if iPhone can reduce its price and coming into a sector that can give a better hand. Next topic.